Want to upgrade your calling experience? Check out the 3 best free dialer apps for Android that are packed with useful features and they're completely free. At number 3, it's Ride Dialer. With a solid 4-star rating, over 46,000 reviews, and more than 10 million downloads, it's become a favorite for people who want a cleaner, smarter calling experience. What makes Ride Dialer stand out? First, it's completely free and designed to keep distractions low, so you can focus on your calls instead of annoying interruptions. One of the biggest highlights is its customizable interface. You can switch themes, change colors, and give your phone a fresh look that matches your style. It also includes practical features like call blocking to help reduce unwanted calls, speed dialing for quick access to your favorite contacts, and dual SIM support, making it a great option if you use two phone numbers on one device. Another useful feature is its integration with popular messaging apps, making it easier to connect with people using the communication tools you already use. On top of that, the app focuses on privacy and security, while keeping everything simple with an intuitive interface that's easy for almost anyone to navigate. Number 2, we have Truecaller Caller ID and Block. With an impressive 4.6-star rating from over 28 million reviews. Ever answered a call and instantly regretted it? Truecaller helps you identify who's calling, even if the number isn't saved in your contacts. That means fewer surprises and more control over your phone. One of its biggest strengths is real-time spam detection. It can identify and block many spam, scam, telemarketing, and robocalls using reports from a large global community of users. It also keeps your messages organized by separating personal texts from potential spam, making your inbox much easier to manage. Need even more features? The premium version adds extras like ad-free use, advanced call filtering, call announcements, and private profile viewing. With over 1 billion installs and millions of positive reviews, it's easy to see why so many Android users rely on Truecaller for safer, smarter communication. Finally, number 1, it's Phone by Google, Google's official calling app that's already been installed over 5 billion times and holds a solid 4.5-star rating from 48 million users. What makes it stand out? First, it helps identify who's calling before you answer, so you can quickly recognize businesses or avoid suspicious numbers. One of its biggest advantages is built-in spam protection. It can warn you about potential spam calls, and you can block unwanted numbers with just a tap, helping reduce interruptions from telemarketers and scam callers. On supported devices, there's also Call Screen, which can help handle unknown callers and give you more information before you decide to pick up. You'll also get visual voicemail, letting you read voicemail transcriptions, play messages in any order, and save or delete them without dialing into your voicemail. The clean, lightweight design keeps your favorite contacts within easy reach, and dark mode helps make nighttime use more comfortable. With billions of installs, smart safety features, and a simple experience, it's easy to see why Phone by Google is one of the best free dialer apps for Android. That's our top 3 free dialer apps for Android. Try your favorite and follow for more app recommendations, tech tips,